Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh and today I'm going to tell you about the load cells. So let's begin. Load cells is a force gauge which is used to calculate the load that will be coming on the structure. Load cell consists of a transducer which creates electrical signals which is directly proportional to the force that will be coming on that particular structure. Now there are different kinds of load cells depending upon various physical properties. It is divided into four parts. One is the pneumatic load cell, second one is the hydraulic load cell, third one is the strain gauge load cell, fourth one is the capacitive load cell. Now going with the first one, as the name suggests, is pneumatic load cell, so it must be dealing with the air pressure. So in this also an equivalent, or you can say a counter air pressure measurement is used to calculate that the load will, how much load will be coming on the structure. So it consists of an elastic diaphragm on which the pressure is applied, so that releases it is basically attached to an air pressure unit which constantly inserts air into the system so that the air pressure is developed, and depending upon the amount of air pressure which is developed, it is attached to a pressure gauge, and that pressure gauge gives us the value of the equivalent air pressure which is used to counter the weight which is applied on that particular system. Similarly is the you can say the process of the hydraulic strain gauge. In this, instead of the air, we use the fluid as the name suggests, and the rest of the system is same. We use the elastic diaphragm also in this particular method. And the next one is the capacitive load cell. The capacitive load cell basically the capacitance basically means the ability of the system to store any charge. So it calculates or gives the load value depending upon the charge that is generated in the system. So it consists of two parallel plates which are charged initially, and when the load is applied, the distance between the plates decreases, and depending upon that, the capacitance of the system also changes, and that gives the value of the load that is there in the structure. The last one is the strain gauge load cell. This particular load cell uses electrical resistance to calculate the load that would be coming on the structure. So it is we use a Wheatstone bridge which is a 4 resistant configuration. This resistant configuration just gives the value of a very much sensitive system which gives the accurate value of the small deformations also, or small resistance which is occurred in the system. So this is the different kinds of load cells which are used in the industry, and there are various applications of the load cell also which we will be discussing in the upcoming videos. So thank you everyone for watching.